Hey guys, this is my 95 King Quad 300. I thought I'd show you it in case you want to check out what it looks like when I'm not working on it. So I got it all shined up. I thought I'd just show you it. Here's a little walk around of it. So it's 1995 and I just put plastic restorer on it. And it really helped out. There's a couple small cracks on this one here and here. But otherwise, this thing's plastics are in great shape. The seat here is pretty rough, not bad, but I gotta get that redone. Otherwise, it's in great shape, the old bike. I put some tire shine on there. Got them cleaned up since it's cold outside and snowy. They're not getting all muddy. I thought I'd clean it up. Got the winch on the front. Front rack's damaged up a bit, but got this sweet windshield. It cost me like $90 or something with tax shipped, which was pretty sweet. It's got most of the original stickers and stuff, so it makes me know that somebody probably older owned it, or that's what I was told at least, because the guy that I bought it from only owned it for a few months and it was smoking and he wasn't mechanical, so I bought it off of him and rebuilt the motor. So yeah, otherwise it's pretty much all original. I got the switch here for my winch. I just took the switch off the front there and just mounted it here for now. I should get a proper setup for that. And I got a switch right here for hand warmers that I got off of eBay. They were like $5 for these hand warmers that wired in and go underneath the grips. They're awesome. So yeah, otherwise it's a pretty straight old bike. I love the classic look of these old bikes, and all I pretty much need now is just to get this fender here repaired, get a new flare. You can get them like $60 and it'll be a pretty mint bike, but I like the old classic look of these old Suzukis. So hope you like the video, and if you want some help with your King Quad, if you're working on it, check out my other videos.